Hello, welcome to my channel. If you love mushrooms as much as I do, but hate how quickly they spoil, you are in the right place. In this video, I am showing you the best way to preserve mushrooms to last longer so you can enjoy them anytime you want. Whether you are storing them for the week or keeping them for months, this method works perfectly. Alright, let's dive right in. I got this mushroom on my way from Ekiti State, western part of Nigeria, yesterday. This mushroom is called Ogogo. It normally grows in the forest certain time of the year, specifically between August and September. The mushroom is fresh. I got it from villagers returning from their farm on my way back to the city. Because it's not easy to get this kind of mushrooms, I decided to buy quite a good number of them. So behind the camera, I cut them and remove all the dirt. This mushroom is tasty and flavorful. So after cutting my mushrooms, I add a good quantity of salt with a clean water to wash the mushroom thoroughly. This is the stock of the mushroom, followed by the cap. Using salt in this way preserves the mushroom. So actually, salt is a preservative. Salt also disinfects the mushroom, so I'm adding more. It also aids in removing all the sand particles from the mushroom. You need a lot of water to wash your mushroom clean. So I will soak it for a while and come back later. So after some time, I came back to wash my mushroom. By this time, the sand would have settled under. Now, this is the first water. You can see that it's very dirty. and I'll show you in a short while why I'm doing it this way. Can you see the quantity of sand? So because I got it from the villager, not from the store, it was not processed at all. So that's why I have to wash it repeated ways. So if you got your own this way, you have to follow this step to wash. That's the third water now. So this water is clearer and neater with lesser quantity of sand. So I'll still repeat the process so you can see what I'm saying. So by now, my mushroom is thoroughly cleaned. I'm scooping out a little quantity because I have a vegetable I want to cook. So you got it. Yes. Time to cook. I will add good quantity of salt. Don't forget, salt is a preservative of seasoning. I will cover and allow it to simmer for like 10 minutes on a low heat. So after 10 minutes, the mushroom is ready. Not overcooked anyway. After you cook for 10 minutes or thereabout, I will scoop them into a clean container I will use to store them in my deep freezer. I will still allow them to cool properly before transferring them to my So for the one that I cooked out the other time, I'm making a vegetable soup and this is the sauce that I prepared. For those of us who are conversant with vegetable soup, this is how to prepare it. I have another video for this. So this is my mushroom. If you are watching this video this time, it means you like it. Do well to subscribe and share with your friends. This is my protein. cooking my vegetable. This is the final result. I love this egusi vegetable soup. Actually, this video is not for cooking soup. I just showcase it for you to know how it looks like in my soup. Thanks for watching. Bye.